Do you think internet marketing is a scam, confusing, or scary? Yeah, I get it. It can be quite confusing for newbies. It's okay. I've been there too. After suffering for about 7 years to make it online, I finally cracked the code. Not by doing it alone on something I don't know like most courses tell you to. What helped is by partnering with someone who has made over 8 figures online to teach and mentor me to start making money online by building an ecosystem that generates you commissions from different companies online. And that same thing I want to show you, instead of doing it on your own, you could partner with someone and leverage his system to start making you multiple streams of income for yourself as you start out on internet marketing. If you want to partner with someone that's already successful online, I urge you to click the link in the bio to join the partnership program and start leveraging a system that is proven to work. Talk to you soon.